this giant low spot here, right in between all the hills. The beautiful home right up here. The guy was kind enough to let us fish his farm pond, so we'll see what kind of damage we can do. Just gonna enjoy ourselves with some family, my uncle, my cousin, my grandpa, my dad, so hopefully we catch some crappies. I can't wait. Before we get going, I want to tell you a little bit about my grandpa. He's over 80 years old, and he's still more active than most yuppies in their 20s. He drove down to the lake the night before, after we've gotten a foot of snow, went down the steep incline, scooped off the snow, just to make our life a little bit easier to go fishing the next day. He said that if Grandma was with him, she wouldn't have let him do it, so I got a good kick out of that. He's very adventurous. I'm always learning something from him through his positive attitude, no matter the outcome of our trips. I was just thankful to spend time with him. I'm glad we asked him to go fishing because he was going to go pheasant hunting in a foot of snow. That's crazy. That's how you stay young, folks.
So we can drive down there.
Yeah. Can you get it back out? I don't know. But I could.
If a Ford can do it, a Chevy's gonna do it.
That's what worries me. But nothing that I would like better than a pool studio.
Oh, man! I tell you what, I'll work on that all night long before that.
You'd wait for it to thaw.
I wait till spring. I'm like, somebody's driving me home. I'll get them in spring.
Yeah.
Look at that drift.
Looks like to the left.
Where's he going?
Looks like
Left.
he went left. That's where he went.
He sure did. What's this?
I don't know.
Grandpa
Probably
got
his
lost
first
last night.
attempt. This will be. That'd be fine.
I don't know how we're gonna make it back up.
Yeah, he did.
He's awfully small to keep. Yeah, they're too small. There we go. I got a crappie bite here, I think. Look at that little bastard.
We're all three have little.
All three.
Here you go.
He wolfed a minnow down, a whole minnow.
Oh gosh.
Still catching them, huh?
Oh yeah. They like this spring.
Are you in that hole?
Yeah, you want to fish it? I'll drill you a hole right here.
Got another hole right there?
Yeah, I will. Give me 1 second. Throw the chair. All right, this is a first for me. I'm fishing. This right here is not a hole that was drilled. It's a spring. If you look closely, you can see bubbles that just keep coming up from below. Got a bucket or something? Look at the bubbles coming up in that thing.
Yeah. I know it.
Oh goodness, you keep missing it. Oh, you stinker.
I missed a couple over there, too.
Well, there's a bunch of them right here.
There he goes. There he goes.
There you go. Is that a good one?
Fish.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, mercy.
Down to the bottom and then lift it up and they'll just come right back up and get it. Ooh, here's a nice fish. Oh, big bass. He came. Get that.
Oh my God.
I was hoping that was a big old crappie. Look at that. He said, asked if we could get out. He said, well, I was thinking about plowing it. He goes, I'll come down. So. Oh.
You little dickens.
You wouldn't even save my pole, Grandpa.
No.
Our savior coming to get us out.
Oh, he's backing down the whole way.
Isn't that crazy?
We're not catching any crappie. We're catching a lot of booze.
You'd be fine. Don made it down here and out by himself
At night.
at night. Ooh, I got some traction there. That's the bar right here.
Oh no!
This is a problem.
Oh, we're so close.
I didn't see that part coming.
Oh boy.
I was doing so well, I thought we crashed by now.
Oh shoot.
Thanks.
So I think you want to keep going if you're going to do this.
Yeah, you got to commit to it. Gravity's your. Oh, dude.
You're just about past it.
How far back you going?
I don't think you had to go past here.
I
Oh.
got it.
You might actually have to go all the way back. I hate to say it, but
I'm having fun doing it.
so you gonna take a left up there then?
I'm gonna try it. I'm
Yep.
gonna try to go left.
Now go maybe swing it wide. Yeah, there you go. That's what I would do.
I don't know.
That's what I would do.
I don't know.
Go,
I
baby.
don't think so.
Then you can. Nope, it's not gonna work, is it?
I can't go hammer down. I'm gonna lose this turn.
Yep.
See what I mean?
Yep.
I liked your start because he came down that hill with them back wheels.
But you see how I when I went
Yeah.
this turn, but that left turn there really screwed my speed.
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep. Got to go straight, I think.
Yep.
Come on, baby. Oh, nope, nope.
Oh.
See that? Left of it. So I got room to, if I kick like this, see how I kick right every time? It's that positive.
Do you mind unlocking my window?
It is unlocked.
It's not moving. You're not preoccupied, are you?
What the hell happened?
Oh
What the
no.
fuck's going on?
You can hose it down.
Maybe. I don't know. This isn't good. I would go back. I would go in reverse.
I can't. There's no way. That makes me nervous.
There you go. There you go.
That makes me nervous.
All right. So what's the plan?
Sticking my plan.
All right.
Because like I said, I'm kicking to the right too much. If I can get up top and straighten out, and then we could whole shot it up there. That's what I'm hoping for.
All right.
You can smell them. So yeah.
Yeah. Once they heat up, you don't have a grip.
That's where we lose it every time.
Yeah.
This is the best yet, though. Take right. Take right. 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 Yep. Right. Right.
Duck in there. Now keep them rolling, baby.
All right, so we took 25 minutes to get up the hill, finally got stopped here, and now we're just gonna slide down into that cedar tree. So my grandpa is all the way down that way fishing. They're gonna pack up and take the truck up here and hopefully pull us out if he can make it farther than we are. He's gonna have to take this trail right here and not that trail. All right, I heard these guys coming up with a plan. They're grabbing rugs, and they're gonna try and slip rugs under the tires. We've got 4 rugs and 4 tires. It's an act of God. Oh, look what we got here. I wonder if that mat is gonna just go right over here.
It's underneath down the back.
Oh God. Oh boy, Grandpa's never gonna let us hear the end of this. What do you think, Grandpa?
Fighting a long time.
Yeah, it's been well over half an hour.
Yeah. I didn't hear you up here.
No? We went up and down about a dozen times.
You have to come back further.
Are we hooked up?
Nope, gotta come back farther.
Oh.
Gotta drive. Okay, he's in drive. Ready? And he's ready. Gun it. Go. Coming. Go. Go. Huh? You're good. Keep going. It broke.
It did.
Yeah. There got to be a slack, and when you gunned it and he wasn't coming, you took up the slack. All right.
Ready, set, go! Oh. Oh.
I can't even tighten it up.
No, you can't even tighten it up.
Back it up, and
Back.
get a little bit more of a run. About right there, Don. Now get
Good.
a run. Oh.
Well, I'll have to finish this story up with, we got a longer chain, gave it a yank, we got out, it was no problem. I will have to say that this was nothing to do with the fact that my grandpa was driving a Ford. He had chains on his truck. He's very prepared. He was prepared, but he had the old cheater chains. So we got out though and had a great time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.